Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color an oval. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw up curve, then down curve and again up curve. See, it looks like alphabet W. Now from one end of an ear, draw curved slanted line. Now draw slanted line from the right side corner. Now draw alphabet C and reverse C curve for an owl face. Now draw an oval with sharp edge on one side and leave another side to be open. Now draw alphabet W inside that oval for the wings. Draw reverse C curve on another side for the neck. Now draw an oval for the tummy. Now draw lines inside the wings. Draw two circles for an eye. Draw sharp edge oval for the nose. Below the nose, draw alphabet U curve for the mouth. Draw two small circles inside the big circles for an eyeball. Draw small lines and the alphabet small M curve. Now again a sleeping line. Draw on another leg by using same alphabet M and lines. Draw slanted lines and another second parallel line for the stem. Draw one side sharp edge oval for the leaves. Draw alphabet M shape and close it with sharp edge curves. Draw alphabet W curve for the wings. Now draw a big semicircle around an oval for the moon. Now close the stem on both the sides by using an oval shape. Let's start coloring. Yellow color. As I always say, give the boundary first and start filling the color inside so that the color won't go outside. Red color, dark brown color, light brown color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, use black color for the boundary. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next drawing, we are going to see how to draw a ship. Please try this drawing and share the picture in the comment section. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you.